Have you ever wanted to make your own window cleaner to save a few pennies? Well, here's a couple of recipes to get you started. Recipe 1. Vinegar-based window cleaner, 1 cup of white vinegar and a cup of water. As an optional extra, add a few drops of either a lemon or lavender essential oil for fragrance. Mix the white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Shake the spray bottle well to ensure the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Spray the solution onto your windows and wipe clean with a lid-free cloth or a squeegee. Recipe 2. Rubbing alcohol and vinegar window cleaner. 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 cup of water. Combine the rubbing alcohol, water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Shake the bottle well to mix the ingredients thoroughly. Spray the solution onto your windows and wipe clean. Remember to test the homemade cleaner on a small, inconspicuous area of your windows before applying it to the entire surface. Additionally, avoid using homemade window cleaners on tinted windows, as some ingredients may damage the tint. And there you have it, 2 more incredible ways to save money. Thanks for watching.